What if your next amp streamed everything, without the clutter? In 2025, these 4 streaming amplifiers combine hi-fi power with Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Bluetooth. We're testing sound, connectivity, and day one setup. Benchmarks include HDMI ARC stability, multi-room sync, app control, and room-friendly power. Reliability matters, solid build, cool running designs, and steady firmware support. Great for apartments or houses, bookshelf, soundbar, or Zone 2 speaker setups. Category preview: compact streamers with amps, full-width HDMI ARC units, DAC-centric designs, and minimalist desk amps. By the end, you'll know the best pick for your room, speakers, and budget, plus who each is for: set-and-forget listeners, app power users, or home theater beginners. This is your no BS guide to streaming amps that actually deliver. Wondering which one integrates cleanly with TVs and multi-room? We've got you. Wrong to assume they're the same. DACs, power stages, and apps vary a ton. Some sound thin and buggy. The good ones feel invisible and effortless. Here's our test plan: week-long living room use, HDMI ARC stress tests, Wi-Fi handoffs, app UX grading, and blind listening with bookshelf speakers. Stick around for rankings and easy picks for every scenario. And as always, the links to all products are in the description, updated with the best prices. So make sure you use them. Kicking off at number 4, Soundavo WS66i kit, your budget multi-room hub. 6 powered zones, 50 watts by 2 per zone, with full app control on iOS and Android. 2 built-in streamers mean 2 sources at once, party mode or individual room playback. Supports AirPlay, DLNA, and UPnP, with NAS and USB playback for your local library. Per zone pre-outs let you add amps or subs, and you can expand up to 18 zones. Clean app tools, pick sources, tweak EQ, and rename rooms so the household stays organized. Heads up, best with wired speakers and home runs, app control is required, backed by a 3-year warranty. For budget-friendly whole home audio, family living, remodels, and party nights, it's a fantastic pick. Number 3. Juke Audio Juke-8, an 8-zone all-in-one amp that replaces separate streamers, selectors, and amps. Streams via AirPlay 2 and Spotify Connect, with each room visible as its own zone. The new Juke app adds sign-ins for Pandora, Tidal, and TuneIn, on both Android and Apple. Multi-user streaming at the same time, preset groups like Kitchen plus Patio or Whole Home, and quick volume sliders per zone. Everyone picks their own music in their own room, or syncs up for a house-wide playlist. Easy install, 1 network cable in, speaker runs out, shelf or rack, friendly. Drives in ceiling, in wall, and outdoor speakers with clean, reliable power for whole home audio. Whole home sound, minus the headache, clean wiring, tidy rack. Sound made simple. At number 2, Marantz Model M1, the compact wireless streaming amp with HEOS, delivers 100 watts per channel with ultra-low distortion for clean room-filling sound. Slim, premium chassis, Marantz heritage styling that fits any shelf. TV-friendly, HDMI EARC for 1 remote volume, plus Wi-Fi and Ethernet for streaming. Add a sub via the dedicated output for bigger rooms and deeper impact. HEOS links rooms, play the same song everywhere, or different music in each. Marantz MMDF. Digital filtering preserves natural detail and lifelike tonality. Think smooth highs and rich mids. Music sounds alive at any volume. Stream Spotify, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and high-res files with ease. Switch from music to TV in seconds. No mode hunting. Clean menus and the HEOS app make control simple for anyone. Great for living rooms, apartments, and open-plan spaces. Setup takes minutes. Power, speakers, HDMI, done. Compact size slips under a TV or on a narrow console. Marantz heritage tuning delivers that warm, engaging sound you expect. Expand later. Add another HEOS speaker for easy multi-room. Signature porthole glow and refined lines look premium in any space. Ideal for music lovers who also want better TV audio without a bulky receiver. From dinner playlists to movie night, it handles it all across your home. Key features: 100W WH, sub-out, HEOS multi-room, and HDMI EARC. Great pick for families who want excellent sound and simple app control. Perfect when space is tight but performance matters. The standout here is effortless, natural sound with seamless home control. For versatile music and TV throughout the home, Model M1 earns our number 2 spot. Marantz Model M1, compact power, natural detail, and HEOs everywhere. Your number 1, WiiM Amp Ultra, with voice remote 2, a sleek 100-watt hi-fi hub. The 3.5-inch touchscreen shows album art and quick controls at a glance. ESS Sabre DAC plus dual TITPA 3255 amps deliver ultra-low distortion, room-filling detail. HDMI AR-C hooks to your TV for simple control and lip sync, plus optical and RCA inputs for your DAC, TV, or turntable preamp. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 LE. Audio keeps streaming fast, stable, and future-ready. Stream Spotify, Tidal, Qobuz, Amazon Music, Roon, and Chromecast. Up to 24-bit, 192 kHz. Room Fit Auto Room Correction measures your space and dials in balanced sound. Sync multiple rooms with WiiM, Alexa, or Google for whole home audio. Hands-free convenience. Use the new Voice Remote 2 to change volume, inputs, or playlists. Important note, WiiM Amp Ultra is not compatible with AirPlay. Great for TV sound via ARC, quick Bluetooth jams, and whole home parties with multi-room sync. 100-watt hi-fi power, ESS DAC clarity, Wi-Fi 6 stability, clean, dynamic sound on tap. Setup is simple. Touchscreen, clear menus, and the WiiM app. Compact unibody aluminum fits any shelf with room to breathe. Plug in HDMI, ARC, optical, or RCA, and you're listening in minutes. With multi-room sync and high-res streaming, sessions stay fresh and effortless. Feature-packed performance without the bloat. Pure value. WiiM Amp Ultra. Our best all-around pick for features and value. Rapid-fire recap. Top 4 whole home amps for 2025. Ready? Number 4. Soundavo WS66i. Budget 6-zone matrix with dual streamers for base-level multi-room. Number 3. Juke-8. AirPlay 2 and Spotify Connect per room, dead simple app control. Number 2. Marantz Model M1, audio file grade, wireless with HEOs, sub-out, and elegant control. Number 1. WiiM Amp Ultra, room fit auto-tuning, HDMI ARC for TV, and ESS DAC clarity. Quick buyer tips, multi-room installs versus living room TV use, plan expansion, and confirm your streaming services. If this helped, like and subscribe. Links in the description.